Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashani and Fuko here, and I'm so excited to introduce to you today Video Mastery Academy, the ultimate online video training program that teaches you how to master speaking on camera, how to create captivating online videos, and how to start making money from your online videos. Guys, here's the deal. I asked you, and you gave me all of the answers. You told me that you're struggling with speaking on camera. You're struggling with having the confidence to speak on camera and feeling comfortable with speaking on camera, right? Some of you guys are making videos, but you're running out of ideas. What type of content should you be sharing in your videos? And how can you do that consistently and keep it fresh, right? And then a group of you are saying, Ashani, I'm posting videos all the time, but I'm not making any money from my online videos. Nothing is coming of it. I got you guys. I'm here for you. So I'm introducing to you today Video Mastery Academy, the ultimate online video training program that's going to work all of that out for you. I'm going to teach you how you can build your online brands in a powerful and profitable way through online videos. Now, you might be thinking like, well, what makes you qualified, Ashani and Fuko, to teach me about online videos? Well, guys, I've been doing this since 2009. 10 years I've been making online videos, okay? I've also been hired as a consultant for major, huge dance companies and organizations to create their video marketing strategies and their video content strategies, okay? Some of these companies you may have heard of, like Block Dancewear, Camille Brown and Dancers, and the Joffrey Ballet School, just to name a few, right? Because those are popular names that you might be familiar with. Not to mention, I've been creating my own online videos for 10 years and making money from it, getting TV appearances from it. And then I also hosted and produced my own dance television show called Inside New York City Dance. So I've been in this on-camera video, online video game, TV game for a very long time, guys, and I have tons of experience, and I'm here to teach you. I want to share my knowledge with you. I want to get you confident. I want to get you comfortable. I want to get you feeling good about your online videos, okay? So let's get into this, all right? Video Mastery Academy is exactly what you've been looking for. That's my son in the background, because we just keep it real here. And I want you to keep it real in your online videos too. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. How to stay focused when there are distractions, right? When it comes to your online videos. And how to be personable. How to be authentic and connect with your audience in a personal way that makes them trust you and that makes them motivated to buy your products, services, or sign up for your webinars or your dance classes or whatever it is that you're doing, okay? So listen, guys, I want you to join Video Mastery Academy today, right now. There are limited spots available, and it's only open for enrollment for a limited time, okay? So I can't wait to join you. I can't wait to see you in the program and work with you. And guess what? Don't be afraid to tell a friend, okay? Spread the word, spread the knowledge, okay? Let's build a community together, and make sure you sign up and join. And we're going to bring him in here because he's already here. Say hi. Say hi, Auntie. He doesn't want to say hi. Anyway, guys, I can't wait to work with you in Video Mastery Academy. I'll see you there, and get ready to take your brand to the next level. That's all I'm saying. All right? I'll see you guys there. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.